Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is my first YouTube paycheck. Yes, I received my first YouTube paycheck and it's so exciting. So be sure to subscribe down below if you want to see more of these YouTube paychecks when I do get paid, because I'm not going to get paid every month because I'm not that big of a YouTube star or whatever. But when I do, I will be doing a video on it, so you do not want to miss that, and then hit that notification because every time I post any kind of videos that I do, whether it be like meal planning or any kind of budgeting video, you will be first to know about it because as soon as it uploads, you will be notified. But anyways, yes, you guys, my first YouTube paycheck. I am so excited, and thank you for everybody who has subscribed to me, who has watched my videos from start to finish, who has watched the ads through. I really do appreciate you, and I hope that you continue to support me in any way possible. And if you have a channel, let me know also. All right, so the first YouTube paycheck, this is for like 3 months, I think, because I got monetized in April. And then I got paid in June 15th. So it's usually when you get paid, I think it's like the month prior. So I got monetized at like the end of March. So April and then May. So this is the amount that I received, was $125. I did have like a little bit of change, but you know, I'm not, the change that's going to stay in my bank. So $125, you guys. That is so great. Like, just to start out with my first paycheck, it's amazing. So we are going to be taking out 20% of taxes. Now, I know you have to make a certain amount to actually file for taxes, that you have to file for taxes. I think it's like $600 or so. But if or when I do hit it, if it's at the end of this month or at the end of this year or sometime next year, I will have the money to cover my taxes. And the golden rule is what I have found. A lot of the people who do these videos, they usually do 20%. I mean, you can do 25, 30, whichever one you want to do, just to make sure that you cover when taxes come around. And then sometimes I think people pay quarterly also, but we're just going to take 20% of the total, which is 125. So that is going to be 125 times 0.26 will equals to $25. So $25 is actually going to just stay in my bank because I have not made an envelope for it yet. So $25 is going to stay in my bank. And then, let me just write that down real quick. And then I took out the $100. So we have a variety of cash, and we're actually going to be stuffing them. So the taxes was $25. YouTube, so I'm going to make I do have a envelope that I made. I think it's this one actually. Yep. So this is the Tiffany blue envelope that I got from Temperance XOXO. She sent it to me from her Etsy shop. Beautiful design and everything. So that is going to be our new YouTube channel. So anytime I say YouTube, that means that I am saving up to make my content better, whether it be like new lighting or a new camera, like a new planner, anything like that. That's all going to come out of my YouTube envelope. And then of course we're going to do wedding, because I just got a quote of our venue that includes the venue, getting ready, the dining hall, the ceremony space, the bartenders, the tables, the chairs, food is a big thing because you have to buy like their catering thing. And the total was like $11,000. So we need to start saving because it's not until October 9th of 2021, but we still need to save. And then college, because you know I'm trying to get into nursing school, and then we're going to be putting some money towards our debt. All right, so first off, YouTube, we're going to put $50. Wedding, we're going to do $20. College, we're going to do $10. And then student loan, we're going to do $20. So we're just going to add all of that up, just to see if we got 125. 20 plus 10 plus 20 equals to 125. It wasn't even in frame. All right, so I'm going to get my envelopes out, and then we are going to get to stuffing. So we don't have an envelope for taxes, like I said. YouTube is going to be the blue Tiffany, and we're going to add $50. That's $50. And then wedding, we're going to add $20. And I'm guessing, let's just count it because, you know, I love counting money. But I won't put a total. Well, I guess I could do a total. Let's just do this. 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So $70 is how much we have. And then last but not least is our college. And we are going to put $10 in that. One, two, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Three, 2, 40, 60, 84, 20, 30, 40, and 45. 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 45. All right, so that is a total of $445. And then last but not least is our student loan, which we will be making a payment. So this is the $20 that I'm going to be using, and that's going to go towards our debt. But anyways, that is it, you guys. I mean, I'm so grateful for you guys. And thank you again for always supporting me and always commenting on my videos, liking my videos, because it helps with the algorithm. It helps me earn revenue to put back into whether it be my YouTube or wedding or debt and everything. Thank you so much. And I'm not going to hide like what I'm going to do with the money. I want to share with it because pretty much it's y'all's money too. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and thank you again, and I will see you guys on Sunday. And when you are watching this, my giveaway is out right now, so make sure you go and watch that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to Miss Callie Budget. Absolutely love her. So make sure you subscribe to both of those, and then make sure you answer the question on my video to be entered to win, because you do not want to miss out on that prize because it is so good, you guys. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great week, and I will see you guys later. Bye.